The camp of Charlie Atong Ang welcomes the filing of charges against him by the victims' families. This even as the Justice Secretary himself believes the billionaire gaming tycoon is a central figure in the case. Joash Malimban has this story.
Days after families of missing Sabongeros filed multiple complaints, the camp of Charlie Atong Ang says they welcomed the formal filing of cases against him, calling it an opportunity to address the allegations in the proper forum. In a statement issued by Ang's legal counsel, Attorney Gabriel Villarreal, Ang maintains his innocence. Villarreal also urged caution against believing the statements of whistleblower Julie Dondon Patidongan, calling them flawed and self-serving. Last Friday, over 30 families formally filed complaints against Ang and other alleged mastermind figures in the case of the missing Sabongeros. The complaint includes charges of multiple murder, serious illegal detention, obstruction of justice, and other offenses. Some family members could not hold back their emotions after years of waiting, saying this is the first time they've felt a renewed sense of hope in their long fight for justice.
Malungkot ang nangyari sa pamilya natin, anak. Yung mga kapatid mo, ako na magulang mo, higit sa lahat yung mga anak mo, wala na pong, hindi ka na umuwi. Yung pala ganun na pong nangyari sa'yo. Kung yung sabi nila na ninyope, yun na po ba ang bayad, yung paslangin sila.
Justice Secretary Boying Remulla, meanwhile, asserts that Ang is a central figure in the case, stressing the need for a full and proper trial to uncover the truth.
Siya ang main player sa Isabong. Siya ang main player dyan, siya ang amo ni Totoy or Dondon. Pero niya pinababayad para sa trabaho na ginagawa ng mga kontraktor na pulis.
Remulla also dismissed the statement from Ang's legal team as a strategy to muddy the investigation.
Natural for them to concoct their stories. Yung talaga, gawain talaga ng ano yan ng mga abogado. Di ba? Sabi ko nga, ang kalaban namin dito, the best lawyers money can buy. Pera-pera lang yan sa kanila.
SOJ Remulla insists that Patidongan remains a credible witness, citing his long-standing connection to Ang spanning almost 2 decades. He also gave his assurance to the families that the Department of Justice will not back down from the case, vowing to see it through until justice is served. Joash Malimban, Billionaire News Channel.